Hello everyone, this is Jahid Hassan. As a part of my practice, today I am in front of camera and I would like to talk about one very important person, and he is Justin Trudeau. I think all of you know about Justin Trudeau. He is the Prime Minister of Canada, and for the third time he was elected as the Prime Minister of Canada. And I think all of you know that those types of countries, they try to take a free and fair election. So it easily indicates that he is very popular among the people of Canada. So why he is such amount of popular? I noticed one thing, that is Justin Trudeau, every time he try to connect with the general people, he try to understand that what's the ground reality and what is the general people's thinking, and which type of things or which types of steps they must have to do. So this is the first thing. And second thing is, I noticed that as I am from Indian subcontinent, I noticed that in our country, the leaders, especially the political leaders, they take several types of bodyguards with them. They try to take proper safety, proper protection. For for this reason, I think they are unable to connect with the general public. But just in case of Justin Trudeau, I think he is different from them because he don't take such amount of bodyguards with him, such amount of protection. He try to talk with the general people face to face, and with no fear, with no other things, additional things. So that's why I like Justin Trudeau. Without knowing the ground reality, without talking the general people, it's very difficult to understand that what's the reality, what's the condition, what these people thinking. So this is the second thing. And third thing is, Justin Trudeau, he always try to take some steps which can protect the environment. Especially some days ago, he take a step to protect marine ecosystem. So in this case, I think it's one of the most important things. Nowadays, people try to destroy the marine ecosystems. People try to throw different types of waste materials to the sea. So I think in this case, Justin Trudeau is doing extraordinary. And not only in case of marine, but also in case of the general environment. Like Justin Trudeau, some days ago, he banned single use of plastic. Plastic is one of the culprits to destroy our environment. So he banned the single use of plastic, and he tried to encourage the recycle of plastics. And again, the polythene, also one of the major culprits. So he also tried to ban the polythene, although it's not possible to ban overall things because it requires a huge amount of money, and it requires an proper alternative. So he tried to find out the alternatives, and he tried to encourage the people to use the alternative things to protect their environment. So this thing is also another one important thing. And if I try to say about his political background, just like any other normal political person, he is also from a political background, and his family was involved with politics. His father was the former Prime Minister of Canada, so now he served as the leader of Canada. I think in our Indian subcontinent, we also need such types of leaders who try to advocate humanity, who try to advocate the environment, and the most important things, they must have to connect with general people, they must have to talk with them, and they must have to learn what's the ground reality. So without doing additional bodyguard, without doing additional safety, I think in future, maybe in one day, it will be possible. So thank you everyone for watching my videos. I appreciate that you are watching my videos, and I wish you a best of luck.